Friends, we can calculate the square of any number just by using mental math. Let us see how to do that. There is no complex formula involved here, just 4 rules. Rule number 1 is for the numbers ending with 0. Get the square of the digit before 0 and write double the zeros after that. Let's see, the number ending with 0 is 10. Square of 1 is 1. Double the zeros and write after 1. That will be 100. 10 squared is 100. 100 squared is 4 zeros after 1, which is 10,000. 1000 squared is 6 zeros after 1, which will be 1 million. 30 squared is 3 squared is 9 and 1 0 in 30, so 2 zeros, so 900. 30 squared is 900. Rule number 2 is for the numbers ending with 5. Multiply the number before the last digit by its next number, and after that just write 25. Let's see, the number ending with 5 is 15. The digit before 5 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Write 25 after that. To get 15 squared is 225. 25 squared is 2 times 3 is 6. 625. 65 squared is 6 times 7 is 42. So 4225. Rule number 3. This is for the square of next or previous number. Add or subtract twice the number to or from its square and add 1. For 10, the next and previous numbers are 11 and 9. 10 squared is 100. 10 times 2 is 20. 100 plus 20 is 120 plus 1 is 121. 100 minus 20 is 80. 80 plus 1 is 81. 11 squared is 121. 9 squared is 81. Let us see the rule 3 again. Add or subtract twice the number to or from its square and add 1. Let's take example of 15. The next and previous numbers are 16 and 14. 15 squared is 225. 15 times 2 is 30. 225 plus 30 is 255. Plus 1 is 256. 225 minus 30 is 195. Plus 1 is 196. 16 squared is 256. 14 squared is 196. Rule number 4. This is for the numbers which are 2 apart from the base number, plus 2 or minus 2. Here, add or subtract 4 times the number to and from its square and add 4. So, earlier rule was to add or subtract 2 times the number and add 1. Here, in this rule, it is add or subtract 4 times the number to or from its square and add 4. Let us see. For number 10, these numbers are 12 and 8. So 10 squared is 100. 10 times 4 is 40. 100 plus 40 is 140. Plus 4 is 144. 100 minus 40 is 60. Plus 4 is 64. 12 squared is 144. 8 squared is 64. Let us see the rule again. Add or subtract 4 times the number to or from its square and add 4. For 15, these numbers are 17 and 13. 15 squared is 225. 15 times 4 is 60. So 225 plus 60 is 285. Plus 4, we get 289. 225 minus 60 is 165. Plus 4 is 169. 17 square is 289 and 13 squared is 169. the squares of the numbers between 8 and 17 we got using these 4 rules. Rule number 1, 10 squared is 100. Rule number 2, 15 squared is 1 times 2, 225. Rule number 3, 9 squared, 10 square is 100. 10 times 2 is 20. So 100 minus 20 is 80 plus 1, 81. 11 squared is 100 plus 20 plus 1, 121. 14 squared is 15 squared, 225 minus 15 times 2, 30. We get 195 plus 1 is 196. 16 squared is now 225 plus 30, which is 255 plus 1, which is 256. Rule number 4, 8 squared. Now we get 10 squared minus 10 times 4. So we get 100 minus 40 is equal to 60 plus 4, 64. And 100 plus 40 plus 4 is 144. Rule number 4 again, 13 squared. 15 square is 225 minus 15 times 4 is 60. So 165 plus 4, 169. And 17 square will be 225 plus 60 is equal to 285 plus 4 is 289. Let us see if that works for the numbers between 48 and 57. Rule number 1, 50 square. 5 square is 25. Double the zeros, 00, 2500. Rule number 2, 55 squares. So 5 times 6 is 30. Write 25 after that, 30, 25. We know 50 square is 2500. 50 times 2 is 100. 51 squared will be 2500 plus 100, which is 2600 plus 1, 2601. 49 squared is 2500 minus 100, which is 2400 plus 1, 2401. Like that, we can get for 56 squared is 3136. 54 squared is 2916. 52 squared, 50 square is 2500 and 50 times 4 is 200. So we get 2700 plus 4 is 2704. 48 square is 2304. Let us see for 57. 55 squared is 3025 and 55 times 4 is 220. So 3025 plus 220 is equal to 3245. Plus 4 we get 3249. And 53 squared is 3025 minus 220. We get 2805 plus 4 is 2809. Remember, becoming smarter day by day is both easy and fun. Like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel Kaizen Smarter. Join me in exploring the amazing world around us in the next video. Till then, have a fun day, smart day, and please take care.